guys, so that was a really weird hey guys. Let's try again. Hi guys, so I know I kind of just did a grocery haul, but I did a huge grocery haul today. So we have Trader Joe's, I also went to Ralph's and Costco. So I bought a lot of food and I thought there's no way I can't share when I've done a grocery haul this big. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. My battery's already flashing at me, so let's just get to it. So starting with produce, I got some celery, onions, and shredded carrots because I want to make my chicken gnocchi Olive Garden knockoff soup, which I have in a video somewhere. I will link it up in the corner. I got some dill. My dill in my garden died and I love dill, so I always buy it now, but I did order seeds on Amazon, and I bought soil today, so I think I'm going to plant the seeds. But yeah, for now, just to tide me over. I got some Champs-Élysées salad mix, some arugula. I've been really loving these like orecchiette arugula pasta lunches that I'll eventually show you how to make, but I needed some more arugula. Got some broccoli for Bradley, some sweet potatoes. I got a bag of lemons because the other lemons didn't look great, and this was only like, I think it was $2 and you got a lot of lemons, so I did that. Oh, I also got a cucumber, got some limes, bananas, avocado, red bell pepper, Honeycrisp apple, and last for produce I got these mixed medley cherry tomatoes. I use cherry tomatoes in like everything, and I've been enjoying the mixed medley. I don't know, it's just fun to have a bit more of color in your meals. Some random stuff, we needed more pepper, and then we've been out of this for a while and I finally remembered today, but we needed some more maple syrup. I got some heavy whipping cream because I am definitely going to be in the mood to make some Halloween sugar cookies at some point, so I want that for my frosting. Then we have some fun fall things. Number one, I love these every year, the chocolate mousse pumpkins. They are so tasty. I'm sure they're not Weight Watchers friendly, but I don't care. They are so good, and they're only out this time of year, so I picked those up. This was the sample today, and it was really good. The honey roasted pumpkin ravioli. They're kind of like two-toned orange and yellow. Super cute. But Costco has not had my butternut squash ravioli, and I'm so sad, so I'm gonna try to, you know, supplement this. This looked so good. Caramel apple flavored granola. So I cannot wait to try that. I thought that would be good just like on its own as a snack with some Greek yogurt. I don't know, I just had to try that. That looks so good. They've been out of these for a while, but not today they had them, so I got the organic white corn tortilla chips. These are my favorite. And we have tacos, or I make like chicken avocado bowls a lot, and I like to dip with chips, so got those. I picked up a low sodium chicken broth just in case, because like I said, I want to make that soup. Pretty sure I have a bunch of these, but just in case, you can always use more. I got 2 boxes of the butternut squash mac and cheese. This is life. I haven't even run out of the other ones yet, but like I said, I'll be stockpiling them because once they're gone, I miss them so much. A couple of other freezer faves. This fettuccine alfredo, I'm telling you, make this, shred some chicken, and add some of the Trader Joe's bruschetta sauce. It is literally so good. I'll show you like exactly how to do it sometime in a video, maybe like a winter meal ideas, but it is so freaking good, and I just love having this in the freezer. And then my new favorite thing, the cauliflower gnocchi. Now that I know to bake them instead of cook them in a pan, they're crunchy and like crispy and delicious, and I like to make this caprese gnocchi salad that I did in a video. I'll link it up in the corner. It's so good, so I wanted to pick up another one of those. I got Bradley some onion bagels. These are really, really good. And then lastly from Trader Joe's, I just got some of their multi-grain toaster waffles. We like these just for like quick breakfasts. Bradley's coastal wine, and then 2 cans of special cookies. Then moving over into the Ralph's section. Don't mind my dirty dishes. Very exciting, I got candy corn. We have a jar that we like to fill up and like leave in this corner, so I got 3 bags of candy corn and 1 bag of like the pumpkins. I'll see what I do with those. Like I mentioned, I've been loving having orecchiette arugula bowls for lunch, so I bought some more of that. This is my favorite non-Trader Joe salad, this premium kit Endless Summer. It is so freaking good, I can't even explain. Some cinnamon Eggos because they're just the best. These 90-calorie crescent rolls, they're very Weight Watchers friendly and they were on sale, so I picked up a couple of those. I love these Mission Street tacos. They're pretty good on Weight Watchers. I think you can have 3 tortillas for 4 points, which is pretty good. My favorite Nature's Own butter bread. Again, you can have 2 slices of this for 3 points on Weight Watchers, which is incredible. Then I love to get this tilapia. It's Sea Cuisine pan-sear garlic and herb tilapia. It is so good, and if like Bradley's at work that night or he's not home and I am not in the mood to cook for myself, this is an easy and healthy kind of alternative to just something else from the freezer. So I'll like make this and then some rice or something. It's so good. And then I got 2 bunches of radishes because I want to make my radish chips. which I also made in a recent video, which I've already linked in this video, but I will link it down below. And lastly, the things from Costco. This is pretty much like all of our Costco staples, which I've done a video on that as well. Again, I'll link it up in the corner. But we were out of our minced garlic. This huge thing of garlic is only $5, and it's great. And there's no like preservatives or chemicals in there or anything. It's just minced garlic and water. So that's amazing. I love Costco strawberries, so I picked up some of those. Got some eggs. I've talked about my Cheez-It Snapped obsession before, and this bag is huge, so I was so excited to see it at Costco, so I picked that up. I like the sour cream and onion flavor. I haven't tried this one yet, but I thought I'd give it a try since it was at Costco. Our favorite taquitos, man, these are like so freaking good. I love these, so I highly recommend those. And then we got our meats, so we got chicken and then some flank steak, which we always buy at Costco as well. So yeah, guys, that is it. I am now going to put all of this away, but if you want more grocery hauls, I will link them up in the corner and down below. And yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you very soon, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.